Hey guys, today I would like to do a quick review on the iPhone 7. It is the device that has been released in 2016, just a few months after the first generation of iPhone SE was released. In my opinion, it's still a good device that you can use in 2021 in terms of performance, camera and stuff like that. And now let's talk about the performance. One feature that handled well on the iPhone 7 is augmented reality. It is the feature that consumes a lot of battery and including the speed as well. But with iPhone 7, it is handled very well. For example, if I do like measurement inside the Measure app, and for me, the issues that I have on the older device, like the iPhone 6s or 6s Plus, when you are trying to use augmented reality for like few minutes or like 10 minutes up to 20 minutes, stuff like that, you may have experience that your phone will be slowed down and it consumes a ton of battery. But with the A10 Fusion chip on the iPhone 7, it handled very well. Although it like heating up a little bit, but it handled very well, and that's why I like about that. And now one more thing is the camera. With the iPhone 7, you can record up to 4K 30 frames per second, and it does a very good job in like stabilize an image or the video while you are taking it. But unfortunately, with the front-facing camera, it still records at 1080p, so it doesn't record at 4K, which is kind of sad. But with the selfie, and if you do a selfie video, normal one, it is okay. Talking about iOS supported on iPhone 7, we should be able to run iOS 15, which is that Apple going to release the beta version in the next 2 days. So you may be able to run it on your iPhone 7, which is good. With iPhone 7, the original version is iOS 10. And we have already run like iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And now we can still use iOS 15 in the iPhone 7. Lastly, let's talk about performance. And now if I go into Geekbench, and now let me go ahead and go into Geekbench real quick. Let's take a look on the result here. So on single core on iOS 14.6, like single score is 764. And on multi-core we have 1000. And if you take a look on my iPhone 8 here, it is, but you can see the number is far different. But if you take a look and let's test on the speed here, it is not that far different. Let me jump into the app here. You can see it is pretty fast, you cannot tell. Let me go into the App Store real quick. So let me close this from multitasking first. And now let me go back into the App Store real quick. You can see it is not that far different. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick review. And to sum up, the iPhone 7 is still a good device that you can use. And with this one, it is a second-hand phone that I bought for about $110. This one is 128 GB. Thanks for watching. Then I will see you guys in the next one.